Today's topic will be disruption and synchronicity. It's such an amazing coincidence since last 4 days, since when I have started this money manifestation kind of exercise for myself. And as soon as one writes down the clear goals, it starts taking shape. Can you believe that? Um, you write down those clearly, and that actually indicates the clarity of mind as well, and you don't contradict yourself with your goals. That is the most essential part. So when we write down a goal, suppose I ask you to write down a goal, you might scribble down something, but you will contradict yourself, because I'll ask you to write down something very very positive, right? So write it down, anything that comes to mind. The exercise is, once you write down something, you will remember something else. And it is very essential to put one demand to the universe. Whatever you write down, you stick to it. If something else comes, then you will put actually two demands. You can actually put several demands, but all those have to be written down very, very clearly in a notebook. So if you have 10 kinds of demands, just put all those in writing and tell yourself if these ideas are not contradicting one onto the other. Very essential. The second thing is, suppose you are thinking in a very linear kind of thing, linear manner, and you are thinking that your goals, all the goals are in a straight line, right? And suddenly you realize that there has to be some kind of disruption. So when I was watching a video yesterday, and it is very strange why I had to watch something yesterday, and I had a subscription on a channel, right? And that channel actually has come up with a serial, and I had subscribed to that channel about 2 years back, thinking that it will this channel will help me with this neuro linguistic programming, right? Because when this your own contradiction becomes invisible within yourself, you cannot counter it, right? If you don't know what is there inside, then how you will counter it, right? So the contradictions, if those are within and you don't know at all about it, what do you do then? It requires this neuro linguistic programming, which is a very, very bombastic word, but there is a simple word for it also, like say self exercise. Like say, if you write down your goals in a notebook, one after the other, the contradiction will be apparent in front of you. Otherwise they will be inside the mind and troubling you. You won't be able to know, because those are there, and inside your mind when you are thinking, those appear to be very very logical flow of thought processes, right? When you write down, those become apparent, because your logical mind will ask you few questions, and then you will see that you are actually wasting your energy in countering various things. Whatever you are saying, you are cancelling that out and saying something else, and then these things, this game is going on, like say writing down, wishing something, cancelling it, wishing something, cancelling it. So how do you realize that this contradiction is happening? That is because, despite your best of intention, something is not taking off. That is a fair indication of the state of mind that you are in. Inside your mind, there is disruption happening, and the external disruption happens to just give you a signal, because internally, whatever signal comes, one doesn't actually pay any attention to. So, the external world starts sending you disruptive signals. Yesterday, when I watched that channel, the disruptive signal was like, say, you have to be very, very effective with 1 million people, then only something will be marketable, right? And that is a huge disruption for me because 2 days back only I told myself that people retention for a longer period is not happening, and that is some unpleasant thing happening within me, and I have to consciously work towards it to remove that contradiction so as to have this marketability, right? And I started observing my own behavior there because of certain kind of experiences in one's life. What happens is one starts having that kind of mindset which actually repels people from your surrounding, and that is a huge discovery. So I accept those kind of disruptions, and I am grateful to the universe that those circumstances has been brought into my notice, and I kind of feel like a pampered child of the universe, who is always taken care of, and my dreams are so precious for the universe that it takes extra care to send me signals so that I'll take care of my mind. I know my mind is a huge kind of iron rock, you may say, which rocks all the time. But if it is badly positioned, then it will be some kind of hindrance, like say unspeakable kind of Himalayan kind of hindrance for me. So I should get off my own way, right? So that is what the universe has provided to me, and I'm so grateful. And there was something else also. So these are the synchronicity, right? I put out some intention to the universe, and the universe actually behaved in tandem with my own intention, and it has brought in some disruption in my thought process. All those are disruption maybe, but in synchronicity with my own intention, right? So how grateful, how amazing is that? And in while before going to bed, I was just watching another message. Suddenly it came up saying that one of my post in some very mysterious kind of group, it was approved at that point. And I got into a conversation with the admin of that particular group. It is, and he was saying that with time I'll come across, I'll understand what it is all about, but I should also trust about the divinity in other people. Like say there is nothing, like say if I was thinking that I'm superior to the other, it is not like that. All of us are divine beings, and maybe I had forgotten that why I was not able to retain people for a longer period, because I didn't trust them, right? Why I didn't trust them? Because I thought them to be something very inferior to me, right? And there lies the problem. So that is the clarity I was given, saying that all of them are divine beings. They gave me something. They gave me the learning that it was seeded inside me only. And if I root out that kind of thought process from within, then those elements also will disappear from my surrounding, also from my uh, from those people also whom I need to retain. So uh, because of certain experiences, I had become some bit of intolerant about people, which actually I realized today, and and that has made me like say not not able to see the goodness in people, right? So those things have been removed, and today is a very huge achievement day, because something I did, I was experimenting with some kind of things which which happened. Actually, I prayed that I I should be successful in all those, and that happened. How do you feel when you pray for something, your own success, and it happens? So many times we think that whether or not I am successful, it will be okay with me. No, 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 not anymore. I will not be okay with any failure anymore. I want success in all the things, and whatever I want, I would get that. And that is what my day has been. And it was a hugely productive day. And think, I hope, and I pray that it will be a very good, great day for you too. And thank you.